We get asked all the time about polishing cast aluminum wheels. Is it different than billet wheels? Yes, it is. This one is pretty nasty. We're gonna clean it with some Voodoo first to get rid of a lot of the built up brake dust. Then I'm gonna come back over it with some mag and wire to really give it a nice even surface. I'm gonna prep this thing using the inox and a very fine 6-inch single ply satin buff before we start polishing. I wanted to go with the Voodoo to break up the brake dust, all that, the years of built up brake dust on this thing. Now we're going to come back over with the Kiss My Glass to neutralize that. So now we've got a pretty clean surface. We're going to go ahead and start the inox. We're going to grind away a lot of this, the rest of this built up brake dust, and see if we can't get a nice smooth surface so we can start polishing. I like this little thing. This is cleaning up pretty good. I mean.
And is you feeling that the smaller tool helps you get in there? Where you like, is it just better than the larger tool?
Yeah, better than the larger ones. So, especially the tighter areas. And that's, believe it or not, at 5,000 RPM. We've got our cast aluminum wheel prepped. We're gonna now polish it, cut it with a 6-inch yellow buff with the inox and the Q69 bar. I'm gonna switch out real quick. I'm gonna use a UBM and the purple, and then a quick flash with the Q16 ultra fine polish. And I'm gonna polish that off using a mirror polish buff and the new blueberry bar. This is 5,000 RPM.
Already started. There we go. Really fucking great. Where'd you go down to?
About 2,600. Started at 5,000, went to 3,500, and now I'm about 2,600. So this is our finished product. We did a 3-stage polish on it. on a cast aluminum wheel, you actually can get a really good shine out of cast aluminum if you got the right products. We're going to be doing some more testing on this to see what we can come up with, but I think we've got a winning combination here.